Dianne Karg here with 1 Minute 1 Tip. Photographing jewelry on a mirror creates a dynamic image, but it's also one that can be a little bit overwhelming on the eye. One trick for softening the effect without losing it completely is to spray hairspray on the mirror. The hairspray creates a diffused image on the mirror that allows your eye to focus on the jewelry more completely. Now, the way to set this up is to take the mirror and a can of aerosol hairspray. It doesn't have to be expensive. It can be the cheap stuff as long as it sprays a fine mist. You'll need to spray at least 6 coats evenly on the mirror, letting each coat dry completely before you keep going. And because this has got aerosol, you'll want to work in a well-ventilated area or outside. Now, if you live in a dusty house like I do, then you'll also want to cover the mirror with something like a salad tent in between each coat so that you don't end up with all sorts of specks on the mirror that you have to spend time editing out later in photo editing. Once you're happy with the way that it looks, then you can set up your lights, your camera, and your jewelry and start taking pictures. Now, if you want to find out more about taking great photos of your wire jewelry, then come and join me as a member at thetowofwire.com. That's where I share more tips, tricks, and projects. If you liked this video and you thought it was very helpful, then please like, share, and comment in the section below, because I always appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time.